So hello guys. Today I will show you how to do the reverse reverb at Sony Vegas Pro 16. Sorry, English is not my native language, so I'll try to explicate to you how to do it. So let me open the Sony Vegas and let me open some project that I used to do this. Open. Let me see here. So wait, my PC is not the best, but it's literally this. Wait, is loading. It's still loading. So let's try now. So I put some effects here, a lot of effects. I don't know if the OBS will capture uh, the second guides that you open when you use the effects of Sony Vegas. Some important thing here is that I'm using Sony Vegas, the original. In Brazil, people don't. How can I say? The piracy is like a little bit more free. So I used Sony Vegas Pro like pirate Sony Vegas since how can I say 2015. Yes, 2015, and now in 2020 I bought Sony Vegas at Steam at a promotion with the money of the gift of my father, of my 18 birthday at the promotion. I'm not a I don't know the word. So let me see here. Yep, it doesn't capture. So I'm not direct at this video, so I will try do it again. But this time I will splicate. So I'm still recording, so I won't stop here. Let's go. Uh, what can I do here? Let me use a new project here. Let me close this. I'm sorry, I'm not a professional tutor. Let me use some music here. Or better, I'll use no, I will use a music. In Brazil, doesn't exist fair use. It's like what the fuck, but it's true. So I use normally musics of international musics. Where are the music? Who the fuck are the musics? Here. Let me see here. This is a good. This is a good one. I will use rock. Wait, it will be loud. Here it will begin. It's a lot of complex because I don't have effect of reverse reverb. So you here is the pearl of the thing. You will do reverse reverb using normal reverb. Well, like it's was an idea that I have here. So it will begin here. Feel it. Wait. Let's let's pause it here. So let me think. Oh, now I will explicate a little bit more. Let me see. Here you will use the part of the that you will that have. How can I say? It's echo. In Portuguese, it's echo. Let me see here. And Google Translate. Ah, reverb. What the fuck? Oh, echo. Nice. No, I'm using echo. It's a different word, but same sonority. I don't know the word. The word. Okay. Let me see if this is a good part. Nice. Here it will begin. So this is the part we will use reverb here, and I I will use audio effect here, dude. Obviously, what the fuck. So we will use effects reverb. We will not use express effects reverb that is on the pirate Sony Vegas but isn't on the originally. So if you use pirate Sony Vegas, you're fucked. Let's begin. Ah, damn. I should change the track. That's the an important important thing. Change the track, cause if you use reverb on this track like this, like here, wait, let me take this out. Let me put this here. It will be like this. It's wait, it's actually not a reverb at the echo, with echo. So when we put this, the all track will be have echo. So this is the result. Feel it? Let me put some more time here. Nice. Let me see if it will be loud. Oh! I got a jump scare here. Nice. This is the quality that we will have here. So you will put this. Pay attention. You will put this to render. No, wait. There's another one detail that's is most important. You will reverse this. Wow, it loads to reverse. What the fuck? And it will be like a little strange. Look. I think you guys already got it. What I'm going to do here. I will render this. It doesn't need to have a good quality because the video that I download doesn't have quality too. Let me see here. We will put this. That is the format that I downloaded. Let me see here. You will put some like 4 to know what the document is, the video. So you will open the folder, and there he and here the there he is. There it is. Got it. So it's almost complete, and the result is this. You will put this at reverse, and this is the result. Wait, I don't use at the correct form. Sorry. Damn! What the fuck? Okay, I need the kick here. Come on, kick. What the fuck? Now, let me see. Nice! Nice! There it is. Here we go, guys. This is the result. Hope you guys liked it. I will put the video on full screen to render after this, to show you how the final project will be with some effects at this beginning. So here is the result. Hope you guys like it. This is one experiment, like a tutorial in English. Hope you guys like it. See you next time.